this video, I'll be discussing the USCIS signature requirement, which has also been adopted by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP. My name is Jeremy Richards, and I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik, where we dedicate our practice solely to U.S. immigration law. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up so that other people out there looking for similar content can find it. Also, look below in the links. There's a lot of content in there that's not only related to this video, but also other information you can find out there on U.S. immigration law, including a link to our podcast where we discuss immigration issues for Canadians. Now to the question at hand. What are the USCIS signature requirements? In other words, how do you have to sign the form? How do documents have to be signed that you're submitting to USCIS? Whether it's a support letter, a form for that filing, or any supporting documents. What does USCIS expect on those documents? What do they expect that signature to look like in order for them to accept either the evidence or the filing itself? Now, what does USCIS consider a valid signature? USCIS considers a signature to be valid if it was in fact ink signed in its original form, meaning that the document, the form, whatever it is that you're submitting was in fact ink signed by pen by the person who signed that document. Whether it's a support letter, whether it's a supporting document of some other nature, or the forms that you're submitting, they had to have been at one point originally ink signed for USCIS to accept them. Now, the submission of that document can vary. It could be a copy of the original, it could be a fax of the original, it can be a scan of the original. It cannot, however, be an electronically produced signature, a stamp, or any other form of the signature. It has to have been at one time originally ink signed for USCIS to accept that signature. In addition, CBP has indicated that they are following the USCIS signature requirements, which means that technically they will accept copies of original ink signed documents at ports of entry. Now, whether or not this is in practice is another story. Most of the officers that we've interacted with our clients have requested the original letter, even though they have stated that CBP is accepting the USCIS signature requirement. So it's very important that before you go to a port of entry to apply for a TN visa or an L1 visa, for example, make sure you call that port ahead and see what their current signature requirements are, and whether or not they will accept a copy of your TN support letter, or it must be that original TN support letter. Like I said, in most cases that we are seeing, they are still requiring the original ink signed letter on employer letterhead. Hopefully this addresses any questions that you might have had about what the USCIS signature requirements are. If you have any other U.S. immigration related questions, we'd be glad to help you out. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, look below in the comments for additional information on U.S. immigration law that might be able to answer the questions that you have. Or give us a call, visit our website, shoot us an email. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.